We'll guide you through how to use Claude Projects effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Claude Projects website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account, or if you haven't registered yet, go ahead and create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you can create a new project by clicking the Projects button located at the left side. Enter a new project name and description to help organize your tasks better. Once your project is set up, you can start adding tasks by clicking on Add Task. In the task creation window, you can enter a title, set deadlines, and assign tasks to team members. You can also categorize tasks using tags for better organization. To collaborate with others, invite team members by going to the Team tab and clicking Invite Members. Enter their email addresses, and they'll receive an invitation to join your project. You can then use the chat feature to communicate with your team directly within Claude Projects, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Another great feature is the timeline view, where you can track the progress of your project visually, making it easier to meet deadlines. Regularly update the status of tasks to keep track of what's completed and what's pending. This way, you can manage your projects efficiently and stay productive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.